पार्थवी, you said it?
Yes, sir.
पार्थवी तो बहुत ही स्मार्ट है. Okay, fine. Very sorry, students. Okay. So please pay attention, students. Okay. Because today Shreyas told me in that case the reason behind it for not to attend the lectures also. He is missing it out, but he told very clearly about it. So fine. I'm just revising the formula. That's fine with it. Okay. So students, the answer सुनना. मैंने initial velocity दिया at point O. फिर मैंने at time t वो p पे पहुंचा है तो वहां पे उसकी velocity कितनी है वो मैंने बता दी. Resultant velocity मैंने at point p बता दी. फिर जब वो स्ट्राइक होता है उस टाइम पे उसकी जो वेलोसिटी से लॉन्च होगी वो वेलोसिटी से स्ट्राइक होगा. डायरेक्शन ऑफ रिजल्टेंट हो गया तो uy by ux आ जाएगा. एग्रीड. ये सारी चीजें अगर मैं बता देता हूँ ना, सपोज इफ आई हैपन टू आस्क यू इट्स पोजीशन वेक्टर, सपोज इफ आई आस्क यू कैन यू टेल मी इट्स पोजीशन वेक्टर आफ्टर टाइम t, पोजीशन वेक्टर आफ्टर टाइम t, तो क्या करोगे?
The components of position along x and y.
So position vector after time t will be equal to what, students? Can I say it's
2 cos theta.
Agreed. And
Yes,
how do you
sir.
get position? How do you get position? Can you give me the answer for this position? कैसे निकालोगे? Simple. Speed is equal to what? Distance upon time.
Distance upon time.
Distance upon time.
तो तुम्हें distance चाहिए ना, तो ये क्या होगा? So u cos theta.
Cos theta t.
Into t.
Agreed.
Yes, sir.
अगर वैसे मैंने पूछा डिस्टेंस अलोंग y एक्सिस कैसे करोगे तो कौन सा फॉर्मूला यूज करोगे स्टूडेंट्स?
ut plus half h.
S is equal to ut plus half h square.
Very good. S is equal to ut plus half at square. I want Shona, I want Janani to know it. कि missing lectures, what is happening? Missing lectures, how exactly you feel it, and when you're not able to crack problems, you will cry onto it. I'm not able to solve questions. The chapter is tough. This is how the blame game starts, students. How exactly the blame game starts with respect to it that you're not able to trace it, you're not able to get it. This is the reason even South also missing out lectures to their comforts. And South is one of the person who's been missing all Saturdays. Most of the Saturdays is missing it out. I know what is happening on Saturdays.
Sir, actually, I was not feeling well on that day.
Nothing, South. The first time नहीं पहले भी Saturdays miss कर रहा है. Okay. Now listen, students. Displacement along y-axis, velocity along y-axis, acceleration along y-axis, students. Now, when I speak about displacement along y-axis, students, when the body starts over the students, when it comes back to its original position, students, so what exactly I'll consider will be the displacement along y-axis we consider is.
Zero.
So the displacement, yeah. No, if in case if I want to find out the displacement, no, this is not at, please, no, not at point O, students. This is displacement with respect to at any instantaneous position. Students, ये वाला concept, please.
Yes, sir.
Agree? Please, students, that's just सुनना. ये तुम्हारा position vector r bar है. ये rx bar और ये ry bar. क्या ये clear हुआ?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Students, we are trying to go for this, okay? Use my u cos theta day. Now to get this, what exactly? Uy. What is ui, students? Can you tell me what exactly?
U sin theta.
U sin theta.
It's u sin theta we consider into t minus half.
Minus half gt square.
GT square.
Can I substitute back over here?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
sir. Yes, sir.
U sin theta into t minus half gt square, students. And this is
J
along which
cap.
axis? J cap.
J cap.
ये तुम्हारा displacement vector हुआ. क्या ये clear हुआ, students?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so I've got velocity. Now, so now I got initial velocity, I got final velocity, I got position vector in this case. Is that clear? Again, मैंने पूछा what is the acceleration of the particle along x-axis, acceleration along y-axis, acceleration net. Fast.
0 minus
Acceleration
g
on
minus
your
G
y-axis
and
is
minus
0
G.
minus G
Minus
and
Minus-
G.
minus g j cap.
Minus G.
The acceleration net is
Minus
G
G.
J cap.
Minus G.
Very good. Very good. This is what the acceleration we consider. So please, acceleration along x-axis is always should be considered to be 0. Now, when you go for the equation of projectile we consider equation of trajectory is given by the formula y is equal to ax plus or minus bx plus, students. तो यहाँ पे तुम्हारा equation of projectile क्या होगा? क्या मिलेगा? Y is equal to what? Can you tell me?
Tan theta
x
minus
tan
half
theta
g
x
upon
into
u
x
square cos square theta into x square.
Yes, it's half or gx square upon 2u square cos square theta. क्या ये clear हुआ?
Yes, sir.
मुझे ये बताओ, ये derive करने के लिए हमने कौन सा equation use किया था, students?
S is equals to
X is equal to u cos theta and y would be equal to ut minus.
ये formula use किया था, students. देखो, displacement along y-axis, velocity along y-axis, acceleration of y-axis. Let us say the displacement on the y-axis, I take it in terms of y. What is uy? Students, what is uy?
U sin
I-
U
theta.
sin
U
theta.
sin theta.
What is small t stands over here, students? What is small t stands over here?
Total distance.
Pardon, what exactly is small t?
Time.
Total time, sorry.
Which time? Which time I'll consider? Which time I'll consider, students? Can you tell me that?
Time
The
after which the
time at
particle
that
reaches that point.
instance.
Yes, the time taken for the particle to reach covering a certain distance. Students, how do you find out the time? So you know the speed along the horizontal. That's also known students. Speed along the horizontal is equal to distance covered the horizontal upon time taken. What is time? Distance.
X upon U cos
Divided
theta.
by U cos theta.
So can I substitute back over here? यहाँ पे तुम
Yes, sir.
यहाँ पे टाइम को देखो टाइम को अगर मैं सब्स्टिट्यूट करूंगा स्टूडेंट तो क्या आ रहा है प्लीज आई एम डिराइविंग इट अगेन टाइम को यहाँ पे मैं करूँ तो व्हाट विल बी सेड x upon u cos theta you will get cancelled. Can I say I'm getting tan theta into x
Yes, sir.
So,
Yes, sir.
minus half g p square means can I say squaring this?
yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
U square, x square upon U square cos square theta.
Is this clear?
Yes,
Is this
sir.
equation? Is this
Yes, sir.
equation? Your equation does it satisfy the equation of a parabola? Yes, it satisfies the equation.
Yes.
Yes,
of
sir.
y is equal to ax plus or minus bx square students. और ध्यान से सुनना students ये जो है ना positive और negative sign ये क्या दिखाता मालूम है? There is a mouth of the parabola is facing towards. ये ध्यान में रखना students. Is that clear? The mouth of the parabola will be facing. Now suppose if you happen to look over here, it's y is equal to ax plus or minus bx square. We consider this in this case. Again, half g x square upon u square. It's along negative. It's along negative. Means if you happen to see the inverted parabola, students, look at the parabola. The parabola is inverted. Am I getting it? So it's facing towards the negative part of it. We consider. So minus half g to u square cos square x square. What are the constant terms over here? Are a and b are called constant, students?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
So can you tell me what is the value of a over here?
tan
What's the
theta.
Theta.
Tan
What's the value
theta.
of b? What's the value of b?
G upon
G by 2 U square cos
U
theta.
square cos square.
Is this much clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ये जो projectile motion है students ये valid होगा for what angle of projection?
Sir, more than 0 but
More than
less
More
0,
than
less than
0,
90.
less than 90.
Less than 90.
Less than 90. If it's equal to 0, then what kind of motion it's going to be?
horizontal linear.
Horizontal
Horizontal linear. And if it's 90,
Vertical linear motion. Free fall.
so can I say projectile motion is a combination of horizontal and vertical and both of them are independent of each other?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can I erase this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, so let's move forward. Okay. Once again, I'll put down the equation of trajectory students. Okay. The equation of trajectory students. Since each and every variable has its own meaning, okay? Y is a vertical displacement, theta is the angle of projection, x is the horizontal distance, g is the gravitational acceleration, u is the initial velocity. Okay, and this is comparing with standard expression y is equal to dx plus or minus dx. Okay, that's an equation of a parabola. Okay, while this holds true for theta greater than 0, less than pi by 2 circular. Now let's move further. Now we move further ahead to get some different relations. अभी हम अलग-अलग चीजें हम find out करेंगे students. Okay, we'll try to go for different formulas. As if when we speak about projections, that's enough. Again, I'll draw the diagram for projectile because this is important enough in order to get to the mathematical relations. So again, I'll consider this is the vertical y-axis, horizontal x-axis. The body is projected from point O. The path is parabolic. It will land back onto the Earth's surface with the same velocity. Consider it strikes onto the same velocity. Consider this is x. Now, if I say it's projected with u, we consider this is theta. We have u x, and this is u y. Okay. This is called as the maximum height of projectile. So this is h max. It's height maximum. So the velocity at this instant, at that maximum height, is always u cos theta I cap, and that is ux students all the time. This is the path of projection we consider. Now, if in case if I happen to go for the distance of point O to point P when it reaches over here, this horizontal distance which is called as a range. So what exactly is horizontal distance we call as the range of projectile? To what distance you have tried to make the particle to reach. Now over here in this, we are trying to find out what kind of expressions. Friends, ध्यान से सुनना, जब भी ऐसे क्वेश्चन होते हैं तुम्हें पूछेंगे स्टूडेंट्स, what is the time taken? ध्यान से सुनना, हम क्या क्या डिराइव करने वाले हैं. सबसे पहले तो हमने ये तो डिराइव कर दिया इक्वेशन, और ये ध्यान में रखना, इसको याद रखने के लिए कैसे करोगे? तो सिंपल s is equal to ut plus half at square to get this answer. यानी ये छोटी छोटी चीजें ध्यान में रखना स्टूडेंट्स टू गेट दिस, और यही चीजें तुम्हें यूज करनी होगी प्रॉब्लम्स में भी, otherwise you will not be able to recollect. Now, which are the mathematical relations which you need to get it? Suppose if somebody asks you, can you find out the time of ascent? Okay, that means I need to find out time of ascent in order to reach h max, maximum height. Okay, and we know as such, for a body when thrown vertically upwards, it comes down with the same time. So we know that time of ascent is also equal to time of descent. Agreed? So अगर मैंने पूछा what is time of flight, capital T, time of flight, what exactly time of flight will be equal
Time
to?
of ascent.
Time of
Two
ascent plus
descent.
time of descent.
Time of journey, time of complete journey. Agreed? ये ध्यान रखना है, time of complete journey. And can I say time of ascent plus time of descent? अगर suppose ये मेरा सबसे पहला equation मुझे ये चाहिए, so now let us go for that. How do you derive that? Okay, let us go for this derivation. Please do not look into any of the things and just go on to your instinct, students. ये सोचो कि अगर तुमने पार्टिकल को एक मैक्सिमम हाइट पे भेजा है, तुमने बॉडी को ऊपर की तरफ थ्रो किया है. स्टूडेंट्स, अगर कोई बॉडी को ऊपर की थ्रो करोगे तो वापस वो प्रोजेक्टाइल की सबसे नीचे आएगा ना. ओके, अभी वो रेंज कितना है वो डिफरेंट होगा, तुमने जो एंगल से प्रोजेक्ट किया वो हिसाब से तुम्हारा रेंज डिसाइड होता रहेगा. बट नाउ इफ आई टेल यू टू फाइंड द टाइम ऑफ ascent, तो मुझे ये बताओ स्टूडेंट्स, when you are projecting the body vertically upwards, of course it's going with the speed u, and the velocity along y-axis will be uy. Is this clear with everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, since it has to reach the maximum height, h max, students, what is its final velocity at that height?
0.
0.
Because momentarily the body will be brought to rest. इतना तो सबको पता है.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
मैंने
sir.
पूछा what is the time taken to reach, तो कौन सा इक्वेशन यूज करोगे? तुम्हारे
V
सामने
is
Equal to u plus
plus
80.
80 plus 80.
तुरंत आंसर आ गया, तो वही इक्वेशन यूज करके लेके आओ ना आंसर. तो स्टूडेंट्स फॉर्मूला क्या होगा? v basically u plus 80. हमें वर्टिकल मोशन के हिसाब से जाना, तो स्टूडेंट्स put y axis. What's the velocity after when it reaches to maximum height? The final velocity is equal to what?
0.
0. What's the initial velocity considered
U
on y?
sin theta.
U.
Yes. u sine theta. Agreed? What is this ut? Sorry, u plus. What is acceleration along y-axis?
Minus G.
Minus G.
Very
Minus
good.
G.
What is this t becomes? Can I say time of ascent?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So now can I take this to the other side? Plus into minus minus. Therefore, can I say time of ascent will be equal to u sine theta by g. क्या ये clear हुआ सबको?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Is this clear? Yana, are you there, Yana? Is it clear to you? Yana? Yana, you're not replying. Where are you? Don't put a thumbs up. I have to
Yes.
then scroll. Say yes or no. Getting it, Yana?
Yes.
Okay. Yes. Such a rigid yes, she has it. Okay. Now this is students. Okay, time of ascent is u sin theta upon g. ये ध्यान रखना students. ये time of ascent है. Time of ascent is always equal to time of descent. So now if I say time of ascent is equal to time of descent, therefore, what is time of flight?
2u sine theta
2
by
u
G.
sine theta by G.
Therefore, can I say time of flight will be equal to what? Time of ascent plus time of descent. So can I say add करूँगा तो 2u
2 u sine theta by G.
by g. क्या ये clear हुआ? Total time taken.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now suppose if I ask you students without using this relation for time of ascent, students, can you find out directly the expression for time of flight? तो उसका मतलब क्या हुआ? उसका मतलब ये हुआ कि please you have projected the body at point O. This is the point of projection. P is the body where it's landing. And when the body is projecting at point O, you start the stopwatch. When the body reaches at point P, you stop the stopwatch. I want that time directly. तो उसके लिए तुम क्या करोगे? सर उसके लिए भी मेरा फॉर्मूला तो ये यूज होगा. अभी देखो s is equal to what? ut
Plus
plus
half at square.
लेकिन अगर बॉडी तुम यहाँ से प्रोजेक्ट कर दो and when it comes back students, it's coming back along the x-axis again. What is the resultant displacement of the particle?
Zero.
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 Zero. ये ध्यान में रखना. Students, the displacement of the particle along y-axis will be zero. It goes up and again it comes down. The resultant displacement is zero. ये जो t है, ये जो small t है, that is time of flight. What is now? This is zero. What is speed along y-axis? U.
U
U
sine
sine
theta.
Can I put this as capital T?
Yes.
Agreed. Minus plus half into what's the acceleration along y-axis?
Minus G.
Minus G.
Can I put this as capital T square? That's the time of flight.
Yes, sir.
T square, taking this on the other side. So can I say gt square by 2 is equal to u sine theta into t? T and t will get?
Yes, sir.
What am I answer? T is equal to, can I say 2u
Theta upon G.
By G.
by g. क्या ये clear हुआ students? This is the time of.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is this clear students to all of you all?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Now, if this is the time of flight, students, can you find out the maximum height reached by the projectile? H. Before going further, students, क्या मैं इसको erase करूँ? ये पूरा erase कर दूँ students? ये erase कर दूँ? I put on the time of flight over here.
Sir, 1 minute. Wait for some time.
Okay. I put this back away. What you can copy down, students, okay?
So done.
Can I erase it, students?
Yes, sir.
Okay. क्या बात है? South wants to answer for chance. Sneha has already posted the answer. Okay. South, you have to
Yes,
unmute
sir.
yourself. You have to unmute yourself to answer. Let me erase this part first. This
Yes,
is
sir,
the
sure.
students. I'm erasing for the time now. Okay. Now my question is for maximum height. Yes, sir. You were supposed to answer. Tell me how to go about this.
So for finding the maximum height, first we will use the equation that is v square is equal to u square plus 2as.
Okay.
So
Then
sir, the v that is equal to 0 meter per second.
why?
Sir, because the body is going upwards, vertically upwards.
So what? So what?
So sir, v will be 0 for that in that case.
क्यों? क्यों? किसने बोला?
Sir, you had only told me that v will be 0.
अरे मेरे भाई मैंने कभी बोला जीरो मालूम है जब ये हाइट मैक्सिमम होगा तभी इंस्टेंटेनियस अगर तो बीच का हाइट पकड़ेगा सपोज अगर बॉडी का मैक्सिमम है 100 meters है तो at 30 meters will I say at 30 meters will I say its velocity will be zero? No, its velocity is zero at 100 meters ना. South.
Yes, sir.
तो तेरे को ये बोलना चाहिए कि सर we'll use the equation v square is equal to u square plus 2as since I wanted for y axis we consider vertical displacement so vy uy ay your velocity along y axis will be 0 meter per second. What is the velocity along initial velocity along y axis?
So that initial velocity will be u sin theta.
Very good.
I
For
can.
u theta. Okay, no need to go. I'm going with respect to magnitude only. It's acting in the same direction.
Okay.
ऊपर की तरफ ही जा रहा है. What's the acceleration along y axis?
Minus g meter per second square.
Why minus g? Why not plus g?
So because it is going against the gravity. But if we
Okay.
take it positive, then we have to mention that it's against the gravity.
Students,
We have to mention if we are
जो
taking
मैंने
positive.
straight line में बोला था ना वो यहाँ पे use हो रहा है. Body भले ऊपर जा रहा है, gravitational acceleration is always downwards. Students, those who have attended lectures, who are answering also quite often. Sanjana hai, Swani hai, Sneha hai, all these people who are answering, Pallavi hai in that case. Okay, all these particular who are answering, while moving upward and while moving downward, students, while moving upwards and going downwards, what exactly acceleration we took it along y-axis? Always minus g.
Minus g.
अभी पता चला क्यों ले रहा था मैं? Because
Yes,
earlier
sir.
also when I made it very clear, so that is how we can consider. यहाँ पे तुम्हारे यहाँ पे सिर्फ ध्यान में रखना है कि ये vertical motion के साथ देखोगे तो acceleration minus g. So v square is equal to u square plus 2as we consider. So now what exactly we consider is your displacement along y-axis क्या होगा? What is the displacement
That
along
will be
y-axis?
u square sin square theta.
No,
plus-
displacement along y-axis. Displacement along y-axis.
Okay,
Can I say?
It's max, yes, sir.
Okay, now substituting the values, what exactly are you getting?
So then I'll get as u square sin square theta minus 2g h max.
Okay, minus 2g h max. Taking it on the other side, we take 2g
Yeah.
h is equal to u square sin square theta. So what is exactly the formula for height maximum?
U square sin square theta upon 2g.
Sin square theta upon 2g, and that's your important formula. Okay, and this answer was already posted. It seems Suhani has also posted, Sneha also, Sanjana also, all of them have posted their answer. Sanjana has given the answer, Parthi also has given the answer, Sneha has also given the answer. Okay, good. So, good boy. Okay, so yeah, it's max. So u square sin square theta by 2g students. So ये भी ध्यान में रखना for height maximum. Now suppose if I want to go for maximum range, the horizontal distance we call it as a range. To get maximum range students, so how do you put forward as maximum range students? तो क्या करोगे?
So u cos theta into the total time of flight.
See one thing, एक simple, how to remember this? तुरंत तुम सोचोगे सर आपको, आप जब बॉडी को फेंकोगे तो बॉडी तो पैराबोलिक पाथ जा रहा है, लेकिन एट द सेम टाइम वो हॉरिजॉन्टल डिस्टेंस भी तो कवर कर रहा है। तो सर अगर आपने पूछा हॉरिजॉन्टल डिस्टेंस चाहिए, तो तुम्हें मालूम है सर स्पीड हॉरिजॉन्टल अगर होगा तो डिस्टेंस हॉरिजॉन्टल होगा और टाइम हॉरिजॉन्टल होगा। एग्रीड? लेकिन अगर तुम्हारा हॉरिजॉन्टल डिस्टेंस, अगर तुम्हारा हॉरिजॉन्टल डिस्टेंस बिकम्स रेंज, अगर तुम्हारा हॉरिजॉन्टल डिस्टेंस बिकम्स रेंज, तो ये टाइम क्या बन जाएगा? टाइम ऑफ फ्लाइट बन जाएगा। क्या ये क्लियर हुआ स्टूडेंट्स?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Now
sir.
what is the velocity? What is the speed along x-axis? What's the speed along
U
x-axis?
cos theta.
U
U
cos
cos
theta.
U cos theta.
Into capital T is equal to R. What exactly your range? Range का formula क्या होगा? So capital R will be equal to, you have got it as what? So this is what we consider as U cos theta into T is what? 2
2u sin theta upon
sin
G.
theta by G, and that is equal to what?
2u square
2 sin
sin
theta.
theta cos theta.
My students, can you tell me what is the answer of 2 sin theta cos
Sin
theta?
2 theta.
Sin 2
क्या
theta.
ये बेसिक मैथ्स में मैंने फॉर्मूला दिया था कि नहीं दिया था?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
ध्यान से देखो, ध्यान से देखना स्टूडेंट्स। I've given this formula. Trigo, if you look into your modules, it's not nowhere specified it. I've given you sine of a plus or minus b, sine of cos of a plus or minus b. I've given you. I've given you sine a plus sine b. I've given you cos a plus cos b. I've also given you this part of it. Certain trigo relations also. What is sine of minus theta? What is cos of minus theta? What is tan of minus theta? That also I've given you. यानी जो चीजें मैथ्स में इंपॉर्टेंट वो मैंने वहां पे दी हुई है। अभी तुम यहाँ पे मुझे पूछ नहीं सकते हो कि सर ये क्या है, और तुम्हें प्रूफ करने के लिए इजीली तुम प्रूफ कर सकते हो। Take the value of angle theta accordingly and get the value of sin to theta. The answer will be the same. So students, what exactly 2 sin theta cos theta? Your maximum range capital R is equal to u squared. 2 sin theta cos theta will be equal to sin 2 theta by. Is this clear? This is the horizontal distance. Is this clear, students? This is not the maximum horizontal distance. No, this is simply the horizontal distance when the particle is projected at an angle theta with the horizontal. क्या ये clear हुआ, students?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So how do you remember? ध्यान से देखना. When you remember the two formulas, ये ध्यान में रखना. H के यहाँ पे u square sin square आता है, नीचे 2 आएगा. यहाँ पे u square तो है. Sin 2 square sin 2 theta. There is 2 over here. There is 2 does not exist over here. Try to remember it very properly. और अगर तुम्हें याद नहीं रहता तो instantly derive कर दो ना. Time of flight करो, सबको पता चलेगा. और time of flight अगर तुम्हें नहीं पता तो time of ascent find out कर दो, double कर दो, time of flight आ गया. Any students, there are some students what exactly they do it. You know, they don't memorize formulas. They try to derive at that point. Like students, now make a habit of memorizing also. You need to have some good memory in physics to remember the mathematical formula. So, and that is very important. Because most of the times, how many times you'll be going on deriving it? So, ये हुआ तुम्हारा H max और ये हुआ तुम्हारा range, students. Shall I erase this part?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, 1 minute.
Okay. या ना ये थोड़ा सा आराम से तो बोलो, इतना तुम एकदम गुस्से में बोलते हो, ऐसा लगता है पता नहीं क्या हो जाएगा ना. And she's putting in all the formulas. Good. Please, the rest of the students also who are not able to get it, please try to keep it that written is remembered. If not written, it's forgotten. Adarshni, Ada, Aditi, Gauri, I don't know about Janani. Janani, she has become a visitor now. Kathy, you had missed out in the last lecture, so please see that you get it, okay? Veera, Naina, Umhande.
Done.
Done?
Yes.
हाँ, erase कर दो.
हाँ.
Okay, Yana, can you tell me what's the formula for H max, cost, and R? Take one, two, jaldi. Yana, H max and R. Jaldi. Yana, I'm waiting for you. Yana, you're giving me so much of countdown.
I forgot. I couldn't remember.
Hello, Yana, can you answer? H max
Sir,
का
actually,
formula
I am not able. I did not remember. I forgot.
just now you wrote it ना my dear. अभी तो लिखा तुमने. हाइट के लिए कैसे निकालोगे स्टूडेंट? या ना चलो कैसे अगर मैंने डिराइव करने के लिए बोला तो क्या लिखोगे तुम? H max के लिए?
So v square is equal to u square plus 2s.
Of
So
course.
derive हो जाएगा.
You हाँ.
हाँ.
I will second. Okay. Can I use S is equal to UT plus half AT square also?
हाँ.
लेकिन वहाँ पे टाइम क्या होगा? Time of flight.
The total time.
Total time. Is it? The time of ascent. हाँ. है ना? Maximum height के लिए will you go for total time or will you go for only time of ascent?
Time of ascent.
Time of ascent, my dear. That is why people don't go for this क्योंकि वहाँ पे दो substitution आता है. यहाँ पे directly तुम्हारा v square is equal to u square plus 2s आता है. तो h max. Can anybody give me the answer? Parthu has posted the answer. What is the answer? H max? Anyone?
U square sine square
U
theta
square
divided by
sine
2g.
square theta by 2g.
By 2g. What's the formula for range?
U square sine 2 theta
Sine
divided by
theta upon g.
2g. Yeah, g.
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 Sir, only g.
Yeah, this is always in meter. This is also in meter. That's a unit. Okay, that's a got a height and range. Okay, these are the two mathematical relations to keep in mind. Okay. Now, students, let us go back to the first equation. What you got it for equation of projectiles? Students. If you happen to go for this equation of projectile students, okay. So you got the equation of this as y is equal to tan theta into x. We can consider minus gx square upon 2 u square cos square theta, students. Now, suppose if in case if I happen to use the same relation, please pay attention, students. Please look at this. Now, मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ? Y is equal to, can I remove tan theta outside and x? Please, I'm using the same equation. तो bracket में क्या आएगा? Students, अगर मैं tan theta x को बाहर निकालूंगा तो क्या होगा? 1 minus gx square upon
Tan theta.
u square cos square theta. Can I say tan theta x will be in the denominator?
Yes,
Clear?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Everyone, is it clear?
Sir, can you explain again?
I'm using the equation of trajectory, my dear. I'm just simply removing tan theta into x outside. So this will be 1 minus. Isko multiply karo, I'm getting the same answer. I'm just trying to rewrite this expression in some other form. Tan theta into x. Is this clear, students?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now that is now. Y is equal to tan theta into x. 1 minus. Can I say 1 of the x will get cancelled? Agreed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Gx upon. So this will be what? 2 u square cos square theta. What exactly tan theta? So sin theta upon cos theta. So can I put cos theta over here? And sin theta over here.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now can I cancel cos theta over here?
Yes, sir.
Tan theta into x into bracket 1 minus g x upon. Students, what is u square 2 sin theta cos theta?
Sine 2 theta.
Sin 2 theta. Can I put now it is equal to tan theta into x into bracket 1 minus x upon u square. Can I say tan 2 theta by g? क्या ये clear हुआ?
Yes, sir.
What is u square sine to theta by g?
Range.
So can I say my equation of projectile, equation of trajectory can also be written as y is equal to tan theta x into bracket 1 minus x upon capital R. Is this clear to all of you all? Agreed?
Sir, in the second case,
Yes, sir.
why did we cancel x? Since x square we cancelled square.
Tan theta into x है ना? Tan theta into x है ना? मैंने tan theta into x बाहर निकाल दिया ना, ये x भी है ना? ये multiplication sign नहीं है, x है. Agreed?
So then how did tan theta x came in the denominator?
When you multiply, you should get the same terms back, my dear. If I remove common from the numerator, I have to multiply because there was no tan theta into x over here. अभी देखो forget about it ना, इसको भूल जाओ. ये multiply करो, am I getting this answer?
Yes, I got it. Yeah, understood.
Okay. Friends, is this clear with all of you all?
Yes, sir.
Can I erase this part?
So
No,
1
sir.
minute.
Yeah. Yes, friends, can I erase now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Hope students, you're making formulas. Hope you're making formulas. सारे शीट में सारे formulas जो अभी पहले जो लेक्चर से पहले मैंने शुरुआत की थी, वो डायग्राम लेके I have told you about initial velocity, उसके vector form at instantaneous position t, what exactly the final velocity after time t, resultant displacement at that point, when it strikes the ground, what's the velocity and what is the direction we consider. And getting it, all these things becomes your form list of formula, and that has to be put together. And what am I trying to do? Now I'm trying to put the list of formulas over here also. ये तुम्हारा जनरल फॉर्मूला है, ये डायग्राम हुआ, ये टाइम ऑफ फ्लाइट हुआ, फिर ये H-max हुआ, ये रेंज हुआ. Now I'm going to erase this part of it. So now can I write one more relation over here, students? Y is equal to tan theta into x into bracket what? 1 minus x upon capital R. क्या ये clear हुआ, students?
Sir, this relation is between distance and the range, right?
Yes, and I told you that's why today this is not the maximum range we consider. It's a relation between distance and range. That means the distance covered x along x-axis to its range for a certain angle of projection we consider. Is that clear? अगर x को substitute करना है तो वो कैसे substitute करोगे? X को कैसे substitute करोगे? Students,
2
u
cos theta into t.
yes into t. And this t will be the time to cover the distance x. ये ध्यान में रखना. Okay. Now the next we consider is, students, to get the relation for range maximum. Now my question is, since you got the value of r as u square, so my question is, when is range r maximum? Since when is range maximum? So what will be?
So when
Range,
theta is 45.
very good. When exactly range is maximum? Since range is maximum when sine 2 theta will be 1, that means it will be maximum. And what is the maximum value of sine 2 theta? Will be equal to 1. Therefore, can I say? The answer is no. Sine 2 theta, can I put if it's equal to 1, can I say that is equal to sine of 90 degree? Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
So either I can say 2 theta is sine inverse of 1. So 2 theta is equal to pi by 2. Theta will be pi by 4. Or equal to this. Therefore, can I say 2 theta is equal to pi by 2? Therefore, can I say theta will be equal to how much? Pi by 4 circular or pi by 4 radian or equal to 45 degree. यानी स्टूडेंट्स अगर तुमने जब भी प्रोजेक्ट किया कोई भी पार्टिकल को, ध्यान से सुनना स्टूडेंट्स, if I'm projecting a particle at an angle of 45 degrees with the horizontal students, okay, this is 90. If I'm making any particle to be launched at an angle of 45 degrees, students, its range will be maximum. ये ध्यान में रखना students. The range is maximum at theta equal to 45 degree. क्या ये क्लियर हुआ?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Agreed. Now, at that time, students, at that instant, can you tell me what exactly the height will be? Correspondingly, what will be the height at theta is equal to 45? So, at theta equal to 45 degree,
H max.
so h क्या हो जाएगा? What exactly h will be equal to?
U square upon 4G.
Square upon 4G.
Sine square theta by 2g. So, what is sine of 45 will be, students?
1 by root 2.
1 by sine of 45 is 1 by root 2, but it's square.
1 by root 2. 1 by 2.
2 square by 4g.
Yes, sir.
ये clear हुआ?
Yes, sir.
Agreed?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
ये तुम्हारा height होगा at angle of 45 degree. But now suppose if I say, please listen carefully now. Suppose if I say that my angle of projection, if theta is equal to 90 degree, then what will be h max?
U square upon
Square
2G.
by 2G.
U square by 2g. लेकिन ना ये फॉर्मूला मैंने लिया स्टूडेंट्स, U square by 2g. So should I call this as projectile motion or vertical motion?
Vertical.
Vertical.
Vertical motion.
Two vertical. Will it have any horizontal
Theta
motion?
is 90.
Yes. What will it have any horizontal motion?
No, sir.
No.
Put theta is 90 over here. 90 into 2 will be how much?
180.
180.
Sine 180.
What sine of 180?
0.
0.
Range becomes?
0.
0.
तो क्या बॉडी हॉरिजॉन्टल जाएगा वर्टिकल जाएगा?
Vertical.
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 यानी अगर मैंने at an angle of theta 45 दिया, my height is not maximum. Hello. If theta is 45, my range is maximum, but height is not maximum. My height is equal to u square by 4g. अगर किसी ने पूछा what is the maximum height reached when theta is 90, h max is equal to u square. So this becomes what? This becomes vertical linear motion. क्या ये clear हुआ students?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now suppose if I ask you to get a relation between h max and r max. Give me a relation between h max and r max. So what is the relation again? Relation between h max and r max. What's the formula for r max? What is actually the formula for r max? ये वन होना चाहिए,
Percent.
है ना? Can I say r max क्या है, students? R max क्या? What is r max? What is r max? So this is sine of 91. Which can I say u square by g? Agreed.
U square upon
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is my equation number 1. What is h max? U square by
U square upon
Sir,
4G.
half.
Are you getting it? Is this clear? So what exactly relation you're getting it?
H max
Sir,
is
it is
equals to
half.
R max upon 4.
Yes. Friends, if in case if I happen to go for theta at 45, suppose अगर मैंने theta at 45 लिया, तो what exactly 45 will be 90 we consider, and sine of 90 will be equal to 1. यहाँ पे अगर मैंने ले लिया तो ये क्या होगा, ये 4 times हो जाएगा स्टूडेंट्स. अगर थीटा को मैं 45 लेता हूँ स्टूडेंट्स, यहाँ पे देखो h max मेरा क्या हो जाएगा, तो sin square 45, what is 45? What is 45 students? 1 by root 2.
1 by root
1
2.
by root 2 तो बोल क्या हो जाएगा, 2 तो कहने से ये हो
1 by
जाएगा,
2.
times क्या हो जाएगा, सॉरी ये फूल क्या आएगा ना स्टूडेंट्स, है ना, ये फूल क्या आएगा ना.
That is for 90
Sir,
degree.
2G, that is 90 degree.
That is 90. Very sorry.
So below you have written at theta is equal to 45 degree.
This is for theta is equal to 45. For theta equal to how much? 45. Now if I look over theta 45, what exactly h max will be? The h max will be equal to what? U square by how
U
much?
square by 4G.
4G.
Can you compare between these two now? What is the comparison between this?
H is
R
equal
max
to
will be
R by 4.
H R by 4.
What is the answer?
H is equal to R by 4.
Yes. And if I try to go for it, the R max is equal to U square by G, H max is equal to U square by 4G. So the relation between two will be equal to what? Your H max upon R max will be equal to what? 1 by 4. H max upon R max we can consider is equal to what? 1 by 4. Is that clear? ये दो relation तुम ध्यान में रखना. There is no space, that's why I'm not putting it. These two are important relation. क्या ये clear हुआ students?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Students, what exactly I've given it to you? Again, I'll just speak out for this. Equation of trajectory, students. Y is equal to tan theta into x minus gx square upon 2 u square cos square theta. The value of theta should be greater than 0, less than 90 we consider. Standard equation of parabola ax plus or minus bx square. Negative sign shows it's pointing towards negative axis. The mouth is pointing towards negative axis we consider. Okay. अगर ये positive होता तो mouth ऊपर की तरफ जाता. Negative हुआ तो mouth ऐसे आ गया parabola. Time of flight we consider as 2u sin theta by g. Time of ascent or time of descent is u sin theta by g. H max is equal to u square sin square theta by 2g. Range u square sin 2 theta by g, students. Then you have in terms of tan theta into x. Y is equal to tan theta into x, 1 minus x by r, students. Then further, when range is maximum, students, theta will be 45 degree we consider. At that instant, your h will not be maximum. Your h is equal to u square by 4g, students. So this is the one which I'm going to use in this case. Is that here? The height at that instant will be equal to what? 4 u square by 4g we consider. When exactly height is maximum when theta is 90. When theta is 90, the motion will be vertical in that case. Relation between R max and H max we consider is that clear? So if in case if I go for H and R will be equal to what? 1 by 4 we can consider. Are these formulas clear with all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Can I now erase entirely?
Yes, sir.
Okay, students. Now, students, let us go for the next concept regarding change in momentum. Okay, change in momentum. So for projectile motion having path parabolic, students, सबसे पहले हम क्या find out करेंगे? Change in initial velocity we consider in that case. Okay, That means simply we go for change in velocity we consider. And a final minus the initial, we can consider with that part of it. Then if I multiply with mass, that becomes change in momentum. Students. We are trying to understand change in momentum. So first let us go for change in velocity. Students. So suppose if I happen to go for a projectile motion, let me draw the diagram, students. The body is projected at an angle theta with the vertical, sorry, with the horizontal, and the initial speed is u. The speed along x-axis is ux, and the speed along y-axis is uy. Okay. Now, when it reaches that point x, it strikes. The ground we consider. This is O, and it strikes at point P we consider. So it's now suppose if I happen to ask you, can you give me the formula for change in velocity? So what exactly delta V will be equal to? We'll say sir final velocity minus the initial. So let's say final yani if in case of final minus u initial. क्या ये clear हुआ students? हाँ students?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
I'm putting it. Agreed. मुझे ये बताओ students जब ये strike होगा finally, आंसर सुना यही चीज को मैं मैग्नीफाई करता हूँ स्टूडेंट्स. यहाँ का डायग्राम आई एम लुकिंग अंडर अ मैग्नीफाइंग ग्लास. तो डायग्राम कैसा होगा? ये प्रोजेक्टर ऐसे लैंड हो रहा है, ये तुम्हारा ग्राउंड है स्टूडेंट्स. प्लीज पे अटेंशन. दिस इज व्हाट द ग्राउंड लेवल इज. द प्रोजेक्टर इज हिटिंग इन दिस डायरेक्शन स्टूडेंट्स. ये तुम्हारा हॉरिजॉन्टल हुआ, ये तुम्हारा वर्टिकल हुआ, ये तुम्हारा थीटा हुआ. आएंगे तो ये तुम्हारा यू फाइनल को हम कैसे लिखेंगे? ui which is equal to what? U cos theta I cap. वो तो हमेशा constant रहेगा. Agreed. U final we consider. Sorry. What exactly we final be in this case?
minus u sin theta.
Yes, minus U sin theta j. क्या ये clear हुआ students?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
The final velocity of this is the final velocity along y-axis. Now when I go for change in velocity, students, can I say final minus the initial? So now if I want to write this in vector form, students, what exactly in vector form? तो क्या करोगे तुम? Sir, U cos theta I cap plus into minus से minus U sin theta j cap होगा. क्या ये clear हुआ? Agreed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
U initial. What is U initial? What is U initial? So U initial is ux plus uy. Ux plus uy. Can I put this as U sin theta I cap plus U
Plus
cos?
u cos theta.
Agreed? क्या ये समझ में आ रहा है स्टूडेंट्स? ये वेक्टर फॉर्म में लिखा है ट्रायंगल ऑफ वेक्टर एडिशन. स्टूडेंट्स समझ में आ रहा है? Ux
Yes,
is
sir.
U cos theta I cap. Uy is U sin theta j cap. U is equal to Ux plus uy. Now I want change. So final minus initial. तो इसमें से इसको सबट्रैक्ट करना है. तो सबट्रैक्ट करोगे तो क्या होगा? सर इसमें से इसको सबट्रैक्ट करेगा तो ये माइनस में आएगा, ये भी माइनस में आएगा, ये प्लस में. तो कैन यू थिंक ये पार्ट स्टूडेंट्स will it get cancelled with this?
Yes, sir.
Please. Okay, fine. I'll write an entirely. So final U cos theta I cap minus U sin theta j cap minus initial. So minus U sin theta j cap minus U cos theta I cap. This will get cancelled. So what's my answer for change?
Minus 2 and
Minus 2u sin theta.
minus 2u sin theta.
Theta j.
J cap.
If I ask you what is change in momentum, students, what is change in momentum? Delta P. So can I say final momentum minus the initial momentum? Agreed?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
can I say this is M into U final minus M into U initial? Agreed? Mass
Yes,
into
sir.
velocity.
Yes, sir.
So क्या, what should I write on? Sir, minus 2MU sin theta j.
Sin theta j cap.
What does M over here stands for?
Mass of the projectile.
Mass.
Projectile. क्या ये clear हुआ students?
Yes, sir.
See students, it's minus we consider. Is that clear? That we consider this change in momentum. I get it? But ये change in momentum कहाँ से कहाँ है? Answer सुनना, कहाँ से कहाँ है? From initial position से कहाँ तक? Final position.
Final.
ये समझ में आ रहा है? Please, ये initial position to final का आंसर है. अगर suppose मैंने question change किया, And suppose if I ask you students, can you find out change in momentum from initial is over here, ध्यान से सुनना, and maximum height तक. चलो, can you find out change in momentum between these two positions? Not final position. तो क्या करोगे? तो ध्यान से देखना स्टूडेंट्स, यहाँ पे जब भी तुम देखोगे ये मैक्सिमम, प्लीज चेंज इन पोजीशन एट मैक्सिमम हाइट एट एच मैक्स. मुझे ये बताओ स्टूडेंट्स, व्हाट इज द इनिशियल वेलोसिटी ओवर हियर? इनिशियल, तो क्या करोगे तुम?
U.
ना ये u है क्या? ये u cos थीटा i कैप है.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
ये क्या है? u cos थीटा
U
j
you
कैप.
sin theta.
Sin theta j.
थीटा j कैप है. एग्री?
Yes, sir.
जब वो मैक्सिमम हाइट पे होगा तो उस टाइम पे कौन सी वेलोसिटी होगी? विल इट हैव
Cos theta i cap.
हॉरिजॉन्टल?
Horizontal.
Horizontal.
U cos theta I cap.
यहाँ पे सिर्फ क्या होगा? u cos theta i cap. ना अगर किसी ने पूछा फाइंड आउट चेंज इन वेलोसिटी, चलो चेंज इन वेलोसिटी फाइंड आउट करते हैं बिटवीन दीस टू पोजीशन. सो चेंज इन वेलोसिटी विल बी फाइनल माइनस इनिशियल. सो फाइनल तो ये है u cos theta i cap माइनस इनिशियल, तो सर ये तो होगा u cos theta i cap प्लस u sin theta j cap. आपको चेंज चाहिए तो सर ये तो कैंसिल हो जाएगा, बचेगा क्या? u sin.
Minus you sin theta.
Is this your change in velocity students, meter per second?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
लेकिन change in velocity किसके लिए? From initial position to final position या initial position to maximum
H
height?
max.
Maximum height.
Till maximum. height.
यही ध्यान में रखना. Then what about change in momentum? Change in momentum क्या होगा? Sir, simply multiply by mass.
Minus you
Yes,
and
mu sin theta j cap.
What exactly the unit will be? Kilogram meter second inverse. क्या ये clear हुआ?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Can I erase this now?
So one
No, sir,
minute.
wait for something.
Okay. Please, when you're trying to put down, write down correctly. अगर कुछ समझ में नहीं आता हो तो please ask me. Don't just write down blindly and don't write down incorrect information. So,
Yes, sir. I am getting it, sir.
okay. और जब तुम derive करो तो अपने आप से फिर करना. और आज के lectures के बाद में, आज का lecture attend करने के बाद में student क्या सोचना? दो students who are wise and थोड़ा सा भी sensible for physics, उनके बारे में बात कर रहा हूँ जो रेगुलर प्रैक्टिस करते हैं उनके लिए. स्टूडेंट्स, आफ्टर द लेक्चर्स डोंट टच फिजिक्स ऑफ माइंड फॉर नेक्स्ट 2 to 3 hours. लेकिन आज ही के दिन आफ्टर 2 hours or 3 hours try to solve everything and write down all the formulas in one book. roughly ये formula without going through a single matter from the books. Whatever I have given it to you, or not even going through the modules, or not even going through any of the other books. Just try to figure out even the momentum part of it also. Do whatever I've completed. Without without going through it. Check yourself, how much are you strong? You know, students of class 12, I'm telling you very clearly, students of class 12 right now who are for NEET and JEE students both. अगर strength है classroom की 40, students out of 40, still hardly 10 students are able to remember the formula for this right now when they're in 12th. And it's everywhere. Any damn institute you go for it, whether you go for Allen, whether you go for Pace, whether you go for any other institute you consider, सबका वही position है. क्योंकि ये जो part है ना students, projectile motion is more volatile rather than linear motion. Linear motion is much more easier, vertical and horizontal. वो ज़्यादा comfortable है, ज़्यादा easy है. But when it comes to projectile, there are so many mathematical relations. लेकिन सारे derive कैसे होते हैं? Kinematic equations ही तो derive होते हैं. You can't forget these things. You need to recollect it. Anishta, my dear, dad is calling you. Is he there at home or is somewhere out? Okay, Anishta. I think receive his call and then be in the meeting. Don't go out, be in the meeting. Okay, okay students, can I erase now? Erase kar दूं मैं अभी?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now students, I'll be giving you certain questions, okay? And try to crack it, okay? Okay, students. The question is, students, listen carefully. You have to prove, students, for two complementary angle of projection. Students, for two complementary angle of projection. If I give you alpha as an angle, students, what is its complement?
90 minus alpha.
90 minus alpha.
Absolutely correct. Okay. So students, for two complementary angles, prove range is constant. Come on, get me the answer for this. For two complementary angles, prove complementary angles of projection. Okay. Complementary angles of projection. Angle and its complement of projection prove range is constant. Question समझ में आया students, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, get me the answer. Sanjana got the answer. She has raised her hand. Janani, are you getting it, Janani? Yes, getting it. Janani, are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Good. Come on, Partvi. Priyanka, are you there? Priyanka, are you there? Three students have raised hands. Students. What about the rest of them? Sanjana, Sneha, Suhani, all with S. It seems that this particular batch rocks with S. What about the rest of the students? Come on, Sparsh, Yana, Tanishta, Soumya. What about you, Soumya? Pathvi, Saud, अगर आता होगा तो करो. Om, Meera, Janani, Khyati, Gauri, Aditi.
Doing.
Okay, fine. Finish it off fast, please. I want one of you all. Are Sparsh is assistant monitor? Huh, students? Is he the assistant monitor? Okay. Okay, who wants to answer? Sanchina, Sneha, Suhani, Aditi. Four students have raised hand. Who wants to answer?
So can I?
So can
Okay.
I?
Who said it first? Can I?
Sir, me.
Okay, bolo.
Sanjana.
Sanjana, bolo.
Okay, so for if we take the angles as theta and 90 minus theta, for theta
मुझे
the
alpha
range
लेना है,
would
मुझे alpha लेना है, मुझे theta नहीं लेना.
okay, sir. For alpha, it would be the range would be u square sine 2 alpha by g, and for its complement, it would be u square sine 2 90 minus alpha by g, which would eventually be u square sine 180 minus 2 alpha. So from the formula sine 180 minus theta or some any angle, so it would be sine 180 minus 2 alpha, which is equal to sine 2 alpha.
Okay. See students, what she's trying to go for it. अगर पहला projection alpha है, दूसरा pi minus 2 alpha we consider pi by 2 minus alpha. So what's the formula for range students? Range is given by what formula? R is equal to u square sine 2 theta by g. That's your formula. क्या ये clear हुआ students? Range का formula. Is this clear to all of you all?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
अब देखो यहाँ पे for those students who want to think in that manner can consider एक student perform कर रहा है with alpha as a projection. I'm getting it with alpha. So what exactly the formula for range in the first case? बोलेगा sir u square sine 2 alpha by g हो जाएगा. ये उसका formula हो जाएगा. But now the other students is trying to project with an angle. What is the angle of projection in that case? The angle of projection is pi by 2 minus alpha students. So now can you give me the formula for range in the second case? So क्या होगा formula? U square what exactly I'll consider will be? Then you say
Sine
Sine
to 90 minus alpha
90 minus
alpha.
alpha by g.
90 minus
upon.
g.
Now can you call this the U square? What exactly is to be? Sine pi minus 2 alpha. Agreed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What is 180 minus 2 theta? What exactly 180 minus 2 alpha?
2 theta, 2 alpha.
2 alpha. That is, can I say it's U square sine 2 alpha by g? Look at this expression, students. Look at this expression. Are the two answers are exactly same?
Yes, sir.
If your
Yes,
right hand sides are equal, if your right hand sides are equal, can I say my left hand sides are also equal?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, and that is what it means. So now, students, this what we proved it was mathematically getting the answer, and we have used the formula sine of 180 minus theta. Students, if I happen to go for sine of 180 minus theta, sine of a minus b, we consider. So our answer will be sine theta. We consider exactly a sine a cos b minus cos a sine b. We consider. So we can cos a cos b. We can consider. My answer will be simply in terms of what sine theta ही आएगा तुम्हारा.
Sine theta.
Yes, so sine of a minus b लिखते हुए that will be equal to sine theta. लेकिन इसी को अगर तुम्हें समझना हो by angles, suppose some student doesn't want to take it this manner. One person will take as let me take alpha, उसने लिया होगा 30 degrees. Pi minus alpha, what will become?
60 degrees.
Students, अगर किसी ने ये भी लिया तो ये भी क्या है? Of course, they are supplement or complement. So the complement of each other. Are you getting it? That means एक है 30 तो दूसरा कितना होगा? 60 degrees, 90 minus 30. अभी suppose मैं इसका range निकालूं, can you find out the range in the first case? Yes. What's the formula? U square sine twice 30
60.
by g. तो इसका formula क्या होगा? Sine of 60. So what is sine of 60?
Root 3 by 2.
Root 3 by 2.
So it will be root 3 by 2 u square g. ये मेरा आंसर होगा. That's my equation number 1.
Yes,
Second
sir.
Yes, sir.
R2 क्या होगा? Formula क्या होगा? So same formula. ध्यान से सुनना. U square.
U square sine 120 degree.
Yes. Sine of 2 into this. So can I say 2 into 60 by g? So can I say
Yes.
this is not u square sine of 120 by g, students?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What is sine of 120?
Root 3 by 2.
Root 3 by 2. So can I say it's root 3 by 2 u square by g? This is my equation number 2. Students, can you see? My right hand sides are equal, therefore left hand sides are also equal. So if in case if I try to project one student projects, answer sunna, one student projects with an angle of 30 degree, other projects with an angle of 60 degree. One student project with an angle of 30 degree, other students project with an angle of 60 degrees. There is variation in height. Students, there will be variation in height, but look at the range. In both the cases, the range is the same. क्या ये clear हुआ? ये मैंने question पूछा.
Yes.
Can I erase this, students?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, so we're done with this method. That's what he's saying. Can I erase this, students, completely?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir,
Yeah.
sir, we can also use that formula, right? U square into 2 sine 90 minus alpha cos 90 minus alpha.
Yeah, why not? That is 2 sine theta we consider. That is you can इसको
Yes,
तुम कैसे लिखोगे? इसको तुम कैसे लिखोगे? 2 sine pi minus 2 minus theta. Students, अब देखो ये see what she's trying to say. Huh? Who's this? Who's saying it?
So Sneha.
Yeah. Students, what Sneha is trying to say? उसने यहाँ से change किया. Students, what she's trying to use, she's using the formula sine 2 theta. तो ये मैं कैसे लिखूँ? तो ध्यान से देखना, students. I can also write this as u square sine 2 theta, students. So 2 sine theta into cos theta. क्या ये clear हुआ?
Yes, sir.
See, students, ये formula क्या? What she's trying to use? She's trying to use sine 2 theta का formula. 2 sine theta cos theta. उसने ये formula use किया. तो भी चलेगा. It's fair. It's good enough. Doesn't matter. Now tell me, students, what exactly we consider as what is sine of 90 minus theta?
Cos alpha.
तो ये cos
Cos
alpha हो जाएगा. ये क्या हो जाएगा?
Sine
Sine-
alpha.
आगे क्या है? 2 ये क्या है? U square by G. What is 2 sin alpha cos alpha, students?
Sine 2 alpha.
Sine 2 alpha.
Am I getting the same answer?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. You can go for that also. Okay, students. Listen carefully, students. My question to all the students, what is the value of theta? Everybody listen carefully. What is the value of theta? That is angle of projection. The next question, students. What is the angle of projection, students, if h is equal to r? Height is equal to range. H is equal to r, not h max is equal to r max. Is the question clear, students? Students, is the question clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So, someone thought it's an easy question, students. Okay. Sneha, okay, got it, correct. Sneha is correct. What about others? Come on, I want somebody else to answer. Sparsh, Lena, Priti, Udit, Anishta. Shona, when did you enter inside?
From
Very,
the
very smart. Right now you entered, now.
no, I was from the start.
I didn't see you at all. Okay, are you understanding, Shona?
Yes, sir.
Okay, can you answer for this, Shona? What should be the angle of projection if h is equal to r?
I'm trying, but I don't know. I may be wrong.
Tell me what exactly it is. So what if you're wrong? Tell me What is H over here and what is R stand over here for? So now. Tell me fast. So now what is exactly H stands for?
Height.
Height of projectile.
Yes.
Can you give me the formula for height of projectile, Sona? Formula. Absolutely correct. Pathway is correct. Khyati is also correct. Shona, what is the formula of height of projectile?
I don't know, sir. Could you solve this one?
Okay. Okay. To get the height, can I use the formula of v square is equal to u square plus 2as?
Yeah.
So this is height is along y-axis, velocity is also along y-axis, speed is along y-axis, acceleration along y-axis, and displacement along y-axis. Suppose if I happen to go for the formula for height, okay, for maximum height, if I happen to consider in this case, okay, of our height we consider, what should I take the velocity in this case? At maximum height, what exactly velocity will take it as? If you throw a body vertical,
Be zero.
very-
No?
at maximum height, what is the velocity of the body will be?
Zero.
Of course. What's the velocity of vertical initially when projected? You had two velocities. One was vertical, one was horizontal. Horizontal was cos, vertical was in sine. So will you go for sine or cos over here?
Sine.
Okay, so that will be u square sine square theta. Theta is a projection. What is the acceleration along y-axis? Is it plus g or minus g?
Plus u.
Acceleration along y-axis is always minus g. I've made it very clear in projectile. So ये क्या होगा? Minus 2g और ये होगा h. Take h on the other side. So did you get the formula for height? U square sine square theta by 2g. So now did you get it?
Yes.
What's the formula for range? Students, what's the formula for range? U square.
Sine 2 theta by
मैंने पूछा what is the value of theta for h is equal to r. बस equate करो ना, खत्म हो गया. g cancel हो जाएगा. U square cancel हो जाएगा. ये sine square theta वैसे रखो. Upon 2. Students, what is sine to theta? What's the formula of sine to theta?
2 sine theta cos theta.
2 sine theta cos theta upon 1. Do you have any cancellation? Yes.
Sir, yeah, one sine theta will get cancelled.
Can I take cos theta on this side?
Is equals to 4.
What exactly tan theta?
4.
What is theta?
Tan inverse 4.
Tan inverse of 4.
Means can I say if I want to go for the ratio of h by r, students, what is the ratio of h by r? H by r, students, what's the ratio of h by r? Then what exactly your answer will be?
Tan theta upon 4.
Tan theta upon 4. ये भी पूछते हैं examination में, students. Derive the relation h by r is equal to tan theta by 4. So take the ratio, you'll get the answer. क्या ये clear हुआ, students?
Yes.
Sir.
Can I erase this?
Yes.
One second.
Okay.
Yes, sir, you can.
Okay, students. Let's just try to solve this question again. I'm giving you two questions, students, okay? Please pay attention. The first question, students, okay? Show that, listen carefully, students. Show that sum of time taken by two particles with different velocities. Sum of time taken by two particles. Sum of time taken by two particles with different velocities. With different velocity of projection, that means that is different velocities at different angles. At different angles to reach the same highest point. To reach the same highest point is equal to total time taken. Total time taken by either of projectile. By either of projectile. Students, can I say this question is actually a type of a prove that? जहाँ पे no values nothing is given. Again, I repeat,
Yes,
students. Now this is now. Sum of time taken by two particles with different velocities at different angles of rejection to reach the same height, okay, same highest point, same height point we consider is equal to the total time taken by either of projectile. That means is equal to the time of flight of any one of them. You have to prove this is equal to this. क्या ये question clear हुआ सबको?
so here same height refers to the H max.
Two particles with different velocities at different angles reach same height. Of course, the height is same. In both the cases, H max. The same height. Both of them are reaching to the same height. So that is equal.
Okay.
And that is equal to the total time taken by either of the projectiles. Yani summation of the time is equal to the time of flight of any one of them. I want you to solve this. क्या ये question clear हुआ सबसे पहले?
Yes, sir.
अभी the answers सुना students. जो students थोड़ा सा fast है can get the answer very easily. लेकिन जो थोड़े से students slow भी है students इसको मिलेगा तुम्हें. Just try to read words properly. अगर मैंने बोला दो पार्टिकल तो मैं यहाँ पे फर्स्ट पार्टिकल लिखो like a small baby, doesn't matter. First particle, second particle, then different velocities. तो इसका u1 लिखो, इसका u2 लिखो, initial velocity. Different angles, θ1, θ2, same height, height center में लिखना formula. I getting it? Height we consider same height. इसका h1, इसका h2, लेकिन दोनों का h same है, तो equate करके तुम्हें एक relation मिलेगा. What is the total time of flight of this and total time of flight of this? तुम्हारा फाइनल आंसर जब तुम ऐड करोगे ना दोनों का टाइम, you'll get the answer. Try to get it. Swani's got it. Anybody else? Please, I want some unknown person to work out with it, who knows the basics of this particular. और अगर तुमने चैप्टर के लिए mental block बना दिया ना students, you will never able to come out from this part of it. Please go on to your instinct. Again, I'm telling you, go on to your basics. Gradually build up your confidence in this, and धीरे धीरे read the statement and try to form an equation. Just one hand raised. What about others? Sanjana is now, Sanjana also raised hand, Swani has raised hand. 2 students. Kathy has raised hand. Yes, Kathy. चलो बोलो. Kathy, you tell me. Kathy, you tell me. कैसे करोगे?
We can take the speed as u1, velocity as u1 and u2, and the angle as theta1 and theta2. So
Very good.
here they reach to the same height. So h1 and h2 will be same. So height equals to u1 square sine square theta1 by 2g equals to u2 square sine square theta2 by 2g. So
Very
we
good.
will equate them. So we will get u1 square sine square theta1 equals to u2 square sine 2 theta2. And if their squares are equal, so their under roots will also be equal. That means u1 sine theta1 will be equals to u2 sine theta2.
Very good.
So this is equal to time. So we can conclude that time 1 is equals to time 2. So time 1 will be 2u1 sine theta1 by g, and time 2 will be 2u2 sine theta 2 by g. So when we will equate them, we will get time 1 as u1 sine theta 1 by g, and t2 equals to u2 sine theta by g. And when we will add them, t1 plus t2, we will get 2u1 sine theta 1 by g plus u2 sine theta 2 by g, which will be equal to 2u1 sine theta 1 by g. So,
Very good. Very good. Students, see, when she said the answer, if in case if I'm looking at the strength of 25, hardly 3 or 4 students are able to get it. The rest of them are just sitting idly. So many times she said theta 1, u1, sine theta 1, sine theta 2, whatever she went on saying it. Students, ये बहुत ही easy और pathetic question था. Easiest question है. थोड़ा सा भी अगर तुम sensible और wise होगा तो तुम्हें सही में आता है ये answer. And please don't say that the thing is tough. No, you're not thinking at that all in that case. Now let me put forward this answer, please. Please pay attention how to go about this. Let us go for each and every statement. Let us go for 2 particles. So I'll put over your first particle. Okay. And I told you just solve like a small baby. Yes, second particle, students. Okay, 2 particles. Sum of time taken by 2 particles with different velocities. दोनों का velocities अलग-अलग है. तो इसका मैं u1 लेता हूँ, इसका u2 लेता हूँ. Initial velocities at different angles. ये theta1, ये theta2. What she said is absolutely correct. To reach the same height point. To reach the same height point. That is the sum of time taken. The answer सुनो students. अगर मैं projectile motion की बारे में बात करूँगा students, what is the time taken to reach the highest point? Time taken to reach the highest point. So students, I asked you time of ascent only. Time of flight नहीं पूछा मैंने. Read. सम ऑफ टाइम टेकन बाय टू पार्टिकल्स, यानी t1 प्लस t2, यानी ये भी टाइम ऑफ असेंट था पहला पार्टिकल के लिए, ये भी टाइम ऑफ असेंट था सेकंड पार्टिकल के लिए। वो मुझे चाहिए था इक्वल टू व्हाट, टोटल टाइम टेकन बाय ईदर इज इक्वल टू टाइम ऑफ फ्लाइट ऑफ एनी वन पार्टिकल। स्टूडेंट्स ये मेरे को प्रूव करना था, क्या ये क्लियर हुआ सबको? स्टूडेंट्स क्या ये क्लियर हुआ? टाइम टेकन फॉर द फर्स्ट
Yes, sir.
पार्टिकल, टाइम ऑफ असेंट, टाइम टेकन सेकंड पार्टिकल का असेंट इज इक्वल टू टाइम ऑफ फ्लाइट ऑफ एनी पार्टिकल। पहला या दूसरा लो, उसका आंसर तुम्हारे से मैच होना चाहिए। तो चलो अगर मैं टाइम ऑफ असेंट पहले के लिए निकालूंगा, व्हाट इज द टाइम ऑफ असेंट फॉर पहले के लिए? क्या फॉर्मूला था? सर सिंपल, v इज इक्वल टू u प्लस at। फाइनल वेलोसिटी 0 हो जाएगा। व्हाट्स द वेलोसिटी? u sin थीटा बाय g। अरे हाँ सर, ध्यान से देखना, टाइम ऑफ असेंट, यानी ये एक छोटा सा जो स्टूडेंट जिसको बेसिक्स मालूम हो वो ऐसे लिखेगा, टाइम ऑफ असेंट फॉर द, अगर ये नहीं आता है तो प्लीज शिफ्ट योरसेल्फ टू लोअर स्टैंडर्ड्स, लर्न सम बेटर फिजिक्स एंड मैथ्स एंड देन कम फॉर 11th and 12th. This is an advice to those students. If you're not able to trace these things, shift yourself again to lower standards. Very truly, I'm really getting very annoyed now. And then you will start saying it, you're not able to get it. So simply it's written in English. What exactly time of ascent we consider? So ये हो जाएगा u1 पहला पार्टिकल के लिए, सर ये होगा sin theta 1 by g। ये टाइम ऑफ असेंट सेकंड के लिए क्या होगा? सर ये होगा u2 sin theta 2 by g। क्या ये क्लियर हुआ स्टूडेंट्स? ये क्लियर हुआ स्टूडेंट्स आपको?
Yes, sir.
Can I put down time of flight now? Can I put the time of flight? दोनों का टाइम ऑफ फ्लाइट, ये तो मुझे टू प्रूव करना है, ये प्रूव करना है स्टूडेंट्स। Now I'll go for time of flight. What's the time of flight in the first case? What's the formula for time of flight? Sir, 2u1
2u1 sin theta 1 by g.
and t2 will be equal to what? 2u2
2 sin theta 2 by
Sin
g.
theta by
मुझे इन दोनों का समेशन मुझे या तो इससे इक्वेट करना है या तो इसे इक्वेट करना है, बस वो तुम्हें प्रूव करना है। अभी तक प्रूफ हुआ नहीं, प्रूफ करना है। तो वापस हम पढ़ते प्रॉब्लम, ध्यान से सुनना, प्लीज पे अटेंशन। Some of, see one thing students, I'm taking some time to solve this so that you can understand. It was so easy but you could not think about it. Sum of time taken by two particles with different velocities at different angles to reach the same highest point, the total time taken by either of the projectile. Now to reach the same highest point. Same highest point. Students, can you tell me what exactly the height in the first case for the first projectile? What's the formula for the h1 for the first projectile? Height का formula क्या होगा?
1 square
U1 square
U1 square sin square
1
theta 1
theta
Sin
upon
square
2g.
theta
upon
1 by
2g.
2g. और ये h2 क्या है? u2 square sin square theta 2 by 2g. And did they say that for the same highest point? So can I equate this too? Yes.
Yes, sir.
यानी अगर ये दोनों को इक्वेट कर दूंगा तो कहना से ये दो इक्वेट हो जाएंगे। अगर ये दो इक्वेट हो जाएंगे तो यूजी 2g कैंसिल हो जाएगा।
Yes, sir.
तो बचा क्या मेरा?
yes.
u1 square
Square sin square theta 1 is equal to u2 square
Square
sin
sin
square
square
theta 2.
theta.
Can I take
Square
square root on
can
both
be
the sides?
cancelled.
Can I take square root on both the sides?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
u1 sin theta 1 is equal to u2 sin theta 2. क्या ये क्लियर हुआ? Agreed?
Yes, sir.
Now can I go for my proof? Proof क्या था? To prove. Let us go for left hand. Students, तुम लोगों ने 10th standard में proof पूछा है ना? Proof देखा कि नहीं? शायद तुमने ट्रिगो का प्रॉब्लम किया होगा तो वहां पे पूछा होगा proof that so and so thing is equal to sin of so and so. तो you go for LHS, पूरा LHS को solve करके RHS लेके आता। वही तुम्हें यहाँ पे करना है। ये तुम्हारा LHS है, तुम्हें प्रूफ करना है equal to RHS। मेरा LHS क्या है? Sir, LHS is equal to time of ascent for the first particle plus time of ascent for the second particle. Agreed? What is the formula for time of ascent? Sir, time of ascent ये नहीं है, ये है. What is it? Sir, it's u1 sin theta 1
Sin
by
theta 1 by g.
plus u2
Sin theta 2 by
Sin theta 2 by g.
लेकिन students, did I prove u sin theta 1 is equal to
Both
u2
are
sin
equal.
Yes, sir.
कर दिया? LCM क्या होगा? G. Can I equate the two? So can I write down this as 2u1 sin theta 1? हाँ क्या ना?
Yes, sir.
Or can I write this as 2u2?
U2 sine theta 2 by g.
And this is T1 plus T2. This is also T1 plus T2. Students, is it equal to time of flight?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Is it equal to time of flight of the first one? Yes. Is this equal to time of flight of the second one? Did I have to prove that only?
Yes, sir.
क्या ये clear हुआ अभी?
Yes, sir.
Students, see one thing, those students who have done the job properly, who have consistently revising it, they will be able to catch me very fast. But for me, all students are alike. I have to take all the students together. So somewhere or the other, you need to put in slightly more efforts. किसी को अगर 1 घंटे में capture होता है, तो तुम्हें 3 घंटे बैठना पड़ेगा, उतना ही फर्क है. The students today itself only take out some time and start revising the entire chapter, start doing all the formulas properly and write it down several times and go on speaking it out. Okay, and whatever numericals you have done it right with me, re-practice the same one. Next lecture will be going with respect to half projectile and then we'll be solving some more problems on it. Is that clear, students?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sure, we'll wind up the sessions, okay? Bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.